And I'm really doing like a lot of stuff on this. And this thing is called Sexism and Other Stories. So I'm going to try to do something about women's issues and try to get it away from the sexism for you guys. But this piece is called My Future Job Options. Okay, so I can't hold a job in my own profession, and I can't even get a job in the mall. Not having an income really pisses me off. I want to yell at the world for not giving me the job that I'm owed. I mean, I get to the point where I want to hit things. And that's when it occurred to me, and the frightening thing was telling my husband, was that I'm meant to be a dominatrix. When my analytical side dominates me, I think about what makes perfect sense. No sex, no nudity, just make men feel like shit at an hourly rate. This is really beginning to appeal to me. But after my husband was adequately frightened, he checked online and then he told me that he thought it was illegal. Is he just saying that because he doesn't want me to do it? But I want it to be legal. I want to be able to say that I legally degrade men for a living and make good money at it, actually. I guess it figures. I found another profession I'm good at, and I still can't get a job.